Hi everybody, I said that I would make a video on my new action camera and this is it. It's the Yi 4K action camera. It was between this or a GoPro, and every single video that I saw on YouTube about this camera and every single review I saw had this one being the best choice and the cheapest. This was meant to have been £120 with a free battery. I paid £69 on Amazon. When I got to the checkout there was a discount. So yeah, let's take a look inside the box. The Yi 4K action camera comes out. I've already used it, which you'll see some footage afterwards. It looks fantastic. It's so smooth. Right, let's put a battery inside it, which you get inside here. You get a bit of leaflets, obviously. The Yi 4K. There is actually a brand new Yi 4K Plus, but that was a bit out of my price range. You see the cellophane still on, the top ones come off, but it's there, and you get a battery and that. So let's put that battery in here and I'll show you what it can do. So the battery's already in, it goes in there, slides in there, you turn it on and off at the top. Let's turn it on. There is your speaker, and there are your two microphone dots. Okay, it is a fantastic LCD touchscreen. It is currently in slow motion at 1080. You see here the screen is so easy to use, up and down. Let's just show you the video setting for now. You just press video. It's currently on 1080. Well, there's little settings behind the corner. Press that. Resolution. You can go all the way to 2K. Not only that, you can go all the way to 4K and 4K Ultra. It's fantastic. There is image stabilization in all of it. Apart from 4K, you cannot use image stabilization in 4K. Yeah, let's show you 1080. You can shoot up to 120 frames per second. What you're going to see in a minute is some footage filmed in lots of different resolutions, and you're going to see footage in slow-mo. You're going to see it in slow-mo, normal video and time-lapse video. Going to be for all that. It's so easy to use. Like I said, the screen is so good, touch screen. The field of view set to wide, center meeting mode, video quality high. There is the E color is pretty good. You can change the ISO, but I have it on auto. The sharpness I have on medium, because if you have it set to high sometimes it looks a bit too sharp and goes a bit blurry. You got your settings there. I've got the auto lens distortion on, because it doesn't look as curved. It has Wi-Fi built in, so you can connect it to that to upgrade the firmware. The brightness is set to high. Maybe I should change that, and I'll have a look at that. The microphone, sound effects, stereo, in-house in mode. Yeah, I can't see the thingy at the minute, the image stabilization, so I'm not really sure where that is. It is definitely on here because I set it the other day. You can have a time-lapse video. You see that? It looks fantastic. It really is good. Oh, I took the screen down there. So you can press time-lapse video. Let's see what you can do with that. And again, time-lapse you can do it in. The only mistake I make is I keep pressing in the middle. It's the settings button. Intervals, you can change the video length, the resolution. You can do time lapses and loads of different things. Again, it really is fantastic. So I'm going to show you now a bit of footage what I recorded in 1080, 4K and 2K. So thank you for watching. This is the Yi 4K. Any questions, leave it below. A great little camera, the Yi 4K. So this is 2.7K with 30 frames per second, image stabilization on. This is 1080-60 with the image stabilization on. This is 4K at 30 frames per second, no image stabilization on 4K. So this is 1080 at 120 frames per second. Image stabilization on.
4K 30 frames per second.